Symbols is fastest and most advanced way to build front-end in the cloud real time. This is my developer's dashboard. It's Symbols dashboard where I can switch between different projects. Now I'm gonna open the default projects that every newly created account can access. This is default symbols library on my canvas, which I can play with. Also, see my project setup. This is all my component sidebar. Also, I can access design system. I can change design system properties and adjust to my project. Symbols is designed for developers. It's for a developer use first, but it can be also used by other team members. You can define design system properties, apply to different projects, and have a high scale of reusability, including components, design system, and share code bases across not only into one company and one project, but also across the teams and different branding. This default components library contains more than 1,000 components that we offer to customers for free. But I can also show you different examples how we use symbols. Currently, I'm going to switch to the platform project itself. So symbols is built inside symbols. We use the platform to add features on the platform and also test it right away. Symbols does not have limitations of what we can build. We basically build our own platform in it, which consists of all the design system properties and actually most of the functionality of building projects on the fly in the cloud. For example, I can build canvas features, and I'm going to show you how it integrates the projects and platform in real time. So I can build some of the components that I can also reuse here. And you see how Canvas is connected to the components that I build, and it gives us like limitless accessibility to build any kind of widgets and components on the canvas, reuse them, and also Symbols gives us like the ways to either host to online and have the shared access to components, or also download it locally and run it from VS Code. This is previously used project, and we build it on Symbols, and then I can use CLI tool to download all the files and run it locally. So Symbols is open source framework, and the platform is built on top of it to offer low-code features and real-time features across the team. And it's specifically built for to build UIKit and flexible and advanced design systems used across teams, devices, and industries as well. So it's flexible abstract library, and you can build anything which comes with more than 1,500 components, developed components, and lots of community and marketplace widgets. We have built-in features like versioning and branching. You can access any kind of version from different team members, have A/B variations, and so on. And what makes our components advanced, it's built by design, it's built to have reusable and it gives you 100% reusability across components. You can build it once and reuse for any different scenario. For example, I will guide you through one example how we can create component and then use across the environments. So this is like my chart component, which I can see I have it reused here. So basically, I can create a component, and I can just copy the name and reuse it here. And obviously, I can have some tweaks and I can also see my progress, how it affects to the real demo. Um, it gives you more tools to also control reusability and see which components is used in a different place, and also gives you isolation to test components in responsive, dark mode, light mode, and so on. Besides that, the design system provides the most advanced possibilities to brand the components and get different variations by just tweaking design system parameters. And all these components can be used with different tech stack. For example, I can create new project, which I'm gonna use in DomQL, jQuery, React, and so on. The projects that I showed you can be also used while creating new projects as a shared library, and you can build on top of 1,500 components, so you don't have to rebuild it again, and it's extremely easy and comfortable to use components. There's no technical limits of what can be built on symbols and how many users can work together. It just takes you to build something really quick, connect to your own backend, or use our integrations and third-party providers, and you can pretty much build speed build anything on an enterprise grade level. Thank you, and see you soon.